Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Roku Express, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Roku Express. Take out the Roku device, remote control, power cable, and HDMI cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the Roku device. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to an available HDMI port on your TV. Plug the power cable into the Roku device. Then connect the other end of the power cable to a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that corresponds to the Roku device. Insert the batteries into your Roku remote. Press the home button on the remote to power on the Roku. Wait for the Roku logo to appear on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote with the Roku device. Once paired, select your language preference. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Connect. The Roku will then check for updates. This may take a few minutes. Once updated, log into your Roku account or create a new one if needed. Select any channels or apps you wish to install during setup. Your Roku device will finalize the setup process. Once complete, you can start streaming your favorite content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.